What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today is my Boxycharm Premium unboxing. So yeah, this intro doesn't need to be long if you're interested to see and what I got in my Boxycharm this month. The products I got, what I liked, what I didn't like, what's a fave, what can go. Then you know the deal, you know the vibes. Let's get it. Okay, first thing I'm using in the box is the Cover FX Water Cloud Primer, a cooling mousse primer that instantly refreshes the complexion and defends skin against pollution and blue light. Enriched with a plankton extract to help work against the effects of blue light emissions and urban pollutants. Wear it alone or under makeup to nourish and protect skin all day. MSRP $38. Okay, the next products I'm going to use are the Opulent Beauty Crystal Clear 3-piece brush collection, a full-sized, ultra-soft, cruelty-free crystal clear brush collection to create a flawless canvas for makeup. Effortlessly and flawlessly apply your favorite skincare, foundation, complexion products, highlighters, and powders. MSRP $40. Next product I'm using is the Natasha Denona Blush Duo Palette. Finely milled, non-oily, and intensely pigmented blush with a soft and silky texture for a naturally bright look. Perfect for all skin types. This duo blush palette provides a dominant color right side and a more subtle color left side for seamless blending and softening edges. MSRP $38. Next, I'm trying out the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. One swipe is all you need for sky high lashes with this voluminizing and lengthening mascara. Precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty and fanned out effect, while jet black pigment intensely saturates. Smudge proof, flake proof, and water resistant for all day wear. MSRP $26. The last product I'm trying out today is the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss. Each twinkling shade of this dazzling gloss wraps your lips in luxurious dimension. The combination of light reflecting glitters and this comfortable formula enriched with natural oils gives you a lip experience so rich and indulgent you'll feel like you're dripping in diamonds. Bold, full impact color with a lightweight, barely there feel on lips. MSRP $21. Okay, the last product I have that I won't be testing out is the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask, an intensely hydrating honey face mask for a glowing complexion infused with powerful antioxidants. This warming mask leaves skin soft, supple, and plump with hydration. MSRP $38. So that's it for everything in this box. I didn't try out this mask on camera, but I will definitely try this out later because my skin is dry. And it comes with a spatula that's magnetic, so you can't lose it. You just clean it off. Like what? Like this. Can't wait to try that out. Now for the product, this Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. It feels nice on the skin. I don't see very many pores, even though it's not a blurring primer. I do feel moisturized, you know, but to me it's nothing out of this world. I have it, so I'll use it up. I don't like the smell by any means. It's not a good smell. But I have it. It's nice and hydrating, which I need because my skin is dry. So yeah, keeping that. These brushes from Opulent Beauty are pretty nice. The foundation brush I used, it's very loose. Like, it's not densely packed like my typical foundation brush. This is the Sephora 232. It's very dense, and this one isn't as dense, but it did blend out my foundation really quickly. but it did blend it out, so I'll keep using this. And it's not really dirty either after using it. The powder brush, it's a powder brush. It's pretty nice. I would probably use this for bronzer next time instead of setting my face, just because I feel like I would like it better for that. And then this brush I use for highlighter, but I'd probably use it to set my under eyes next time. For highlighter, I feel like it's too, I don't know, something about it. I was like, but I like it. I'll use these very decent brushes. I wouldn't pay for them, but I have them now. The Natasha Denona blush. The light side is very light. Like in the pan it looks like it could work for me, but that's not working on anyone. And then the other side is very pigmented, which I like. Would I spend my money on this product? Definitely not, but I do have it, and I haven't met a blush that I don't like necessarily. So, and it's Natasha Denona, so I'll keep it, why not? Then there's this Wander Beauty mascara. The first coat was super lengthening, but as you build it up, it's not that fantastic. This might be really good for layering to get the initial length and then use something else for volume. But it's alright. I would not buy this. So yeah, there's that. And this Too Faced lip gloss, I didn't think I would like because of the color. The color is Hidden Talents. I paired it with Colourpop Curvii lip liner for reference, but it looks like a pretty pigmented lip gloss, which it is. Do I need more? No. And I'm not a purpley girl. It smells like frosting, and it's a plastic paddle. Am I lying? No, it's a fuzzy paddle. I don't know why I thought it was plastic, but I'm not really into purples, and it has a green, yellow, purple glitter shift to it, but it feels really nice. And the lip combo with the eyes, I think it's nice. I didn't think I was gonna keep it, but I am. Okay, so there it is. That's the end of this Boxycharm unboxing. I wasn't excited when I opened the box, not gonna lie. There wasn't anything that I was like, oh my gosh, you know what I mean? I was excited to get Natasha Denona just because it's Natasha Denona, but using the product, I'm not like, wow, amazing. I'm excited about this face mask because I like face masks, and I'll be using this later today. But everything else, not over the moon for. I'll use the products, but there's something that will be a die-hard staple in my collection that I highly suggest you need. I missed choice for this month's box, but if I did get choice, I definitely would have chose a Becca blush instead of the Water Cloud Primer, because I love the Becca blushes and you can't get them anywhere anymore. So yeah, that's the end of this video. The value of today's box is $201, and you only pay $38 and change for the box. I have been more excited with boxes in the past. Last month and this month, not great for me when it comes to Boxycharm. Wish I got the Lunar Beauty palette, but you know, whatever. Hopefully May, which is my birth month, is a little bit better. We'll see. But yeah, that's it. Comment down below what you got in your Boxycharm, if you're happy with it, or what you wish you got instead, because there are always different variations of the box. But yeah, if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button down below, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Sunday and Wednesday. If you like me, if you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter. I link all my social media down below. I'll link my Mascara down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. I also made a TikTok, so follow me on TikTok. Brand new to this. Be nice to me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye. Am I still recording? Shake has been delivered. Pretty good. I also, our shot there.